A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. You see things, you say, why? But I dream things that never were, and I say why not? If you want to tell people the truth, make them laugh, otherwise they'll kill you. There are two tragedies in life. One is to lose your heart's desire. The other is to gain it. If you cannot get rid of the family skeleton, you may as well make it dance. The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. The liar's punishment is, not in the least that he is not believed, but that he cannot believe anyone else. I am enclosing 2 tickets to the first night of my new play, Bring a Friend, if you have one. Success does not consist in never making mistakes but in never making the same one a second time. Patriotism is, fundamentally, a conviction that a particular country is the best in the world because you were born in it. He knows nothing, and he thinks he knows everything. That points clearly to a political career. You use a glass mirror to see your face, you use works of art to see your soul. Both optimists and pessimists contribute to society. The optimist invents the airplane, the pessimist the parachute. You don't stop laughing when you grow old, you grow old when you stop laughing. When a man wants to murder a tiger he calls it sport, when a tiger wants to murder him he calls it ferocity. The man who writes about himself and his own time is the only man who writes about all people and all time. The trouble with her is that she lacks the power of conversation but not the power of speech. Liquor is the chloroform which enables the poor man to endure the painful operation of living.